That's it right there. That's how we do it. That's set one. That's round one. So now I'm starting to get a nice little glisten going. That's how you know you're in that sweet spot. A lot of pre-workouts do that. I sometimes just drink a little bit of coffee mixed with some kratom. That's my secret sauce. It allows me to curb my appetite, and it also allows me to eat super clean. And I'm telling you guys, if you eat clean give yourself a week, you're gonna feel the massive difference. You're gonna be lighter, you're gonna be able to work out longer, you're gonna be in a nice fat burning zone, and visceral fat is just gonna shred off of you. That's the key right there. Not where I wanna be, but we're getting close. Now, that's one. That's beautiful. That is not easy. I wanted to quit at 10, keep it going at 20. Now I feel much better. Look at that sweat. Look at that sweat glistening. That's how you get a nice sweat in, okay? That's how we do it. I'm telling you. That's how you do it. You want to do it? You want to get it done to you? Huh? You want to do a bunch of shit? Huh? You want to do the woman that want to do you? Shit. Get your shit right. It's all mind over matter. The way you push yourself in this is the way you push yourself to get the rounds that you want to get in. Where you're not thinking about stuff, you can let your mind go to another place. And you can always make sure your female finishes before you. You want your female to finish before you, make sure you're the last one to finish in the gym. Shit, take that one to your grave, guys. All right, let's get on this. I'm talking way too much. You guys are getting me too excited. I'm talking way too much. Let's go. Okay, before I start, I'm drinking my water. I always add stuff to my water. What's in here is a natural nitric oxide supplement, like beetroot powder and other stuff of that nature that naturally breaks down, adds more oxygen with every breath you take, more of a pump, and it's natural stuff that's produced in your body. So it's nothing with testosterone or anything like that. I don't like to break out. I don't need acne on my body. Don't need your balls to shrink. Don't need any of that stuff, all right? Keep it right, focus on your breath, work your stomach out, everything else follows. All right, let's get this. So guys, my goal is, I just applied for my 5-year visa in Thailand. I'm staying here for another month in Bali, working out, getting in good shape like this, more for endurance and for my heart rate. And then when I go back to Thailand, I'm going right back into Muay Thai fighting, kickboxing. It's these moments like this when you just might need to take a little walk around the gym. Take a little pace around the gym, get your breath right, and get right back into it. I like to get the shit in hard, fast, long time. Me love you long time. Shit. My jokes aren't funny, but thank you guys for joining me on this. I promise I'll be a little more detailed, a little more articulate, let you know what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, how much I'm doing, and how to do it. And I only speak for myself. You're always gonna find people out there that look better, but no one will be me, and no one will be you. And my message is for you to be you. Fuck what people think. Fuck trying to watch other people. Look at yourself in your mind's eye. What's the ideal person? Then live into that shit. Know that you are that already. And watch how the universe molds to your creation. Let's go. Yeah, man, this is how you guys get in model shape. I used to be a model, commercial model for Wilhelmina when I went to school in Colorado. In Denver, that's 7. So right now I'm getting my ass in shape. 8. So I can go into a high fashion model agency, get a deal, and then get paid on some simple shit. I had a best friend who was a Brooks Brother model, one of the 3 Brooks Brothers with Daniel Craig, another dude in himself, and he was like, yo, G, there is no other industry like the entertainment industry to get paid massive amounts of money for doing virtually so So stick with me on the journey, guys, because there's a method to the madness. But it's how we do it. It's how you get yourself to a place where you can handle 2-a-days. And once you're disciplined to work like this, you're disciplined to eat right. Shit, you're even disciplined to the place where you can fast. If you can't fast for a day, or intermittent fast where you stop eating at 7 o'clock at night and you start your first meal again maybe 12, then you need to get your mind right. And if you got your stomach like, oh, I need to eat, I'm hungry, I need to fucking force myself to eat something, I need to eat to live, then a lot of that shit can just be parasites in your belly that are sending cravings to your mind. And that's just negative energy that you keep feeding with nasty shit. Kill that shit off, kill the parasites, and then you're gonna find you finally have control back of your mind. Your gut is the second brain. It's powerful. Clean your gut, you clean your mind. You clean your mind, you clean your thoughts, you clean your body, and you clean how you move. It's all fucking connected. This guy right here, Smith machine, helps with spot. And in between, I'm gonna hold one plate, I'm gonna do bicep curls, and I'm gonna push out, okay? Let me demonstrate. There you go. Quick set of 10. And now, we'll get the bird out. Typically with burnout, it's just about knocking them out. And we can take our time with the incline bench. That's what will get our heart rate back. But that's where we're really working on form. Now with the incline bench, you can have it drop down so when it falls, it's falling on the bottom of your chest, the middle of your chest, or more of the upper. So as I'm looking up, it's more following right there in the center of my neck, on my collarbone, and it's really engaging the tops of my shoulders. So you can kind of play with that variation to see where you want to target your chest, and make sure you target all angles. Okay, let's knock this out. Hell yeah. That's it right there. That's it right there. What I like is having the body type of a normal person, but being able to work out like a superhero. I'd rather be strong than look strong. Yeah, enough said with that. Let's get that burnout in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, 20. All right, let's get those shoulders in. Damn, I feel like I'm about to pass out. Thank God for these shoes, man. I'll tell you what, these shoes make me feel like I can go all day. That's good. That's good. Remember, take your time, guys. There's no rush. Work off your heart rate. If your heart rate is too much, you feel like you're gonna pass out, relax. Catch your breath. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But it's good. You know, when you start to get in shape, you start to recover, when you can have your heart rate up, it goes down a little bit, and you can keep that process going without getting nauseated, without getting nauseous. If you start getting nauseous quick, then you're probably getting towards the end of your workout, but build it up slowly but surely. Go for a walk, you know, go on little jog intervals. Just take your time. Take your time, but be consistent. Everything will pan out. All right, let's get this set in. Three more. 1, 2, all the way down. 3, there we go. That's good, that's good. That's some good stuff right there. Holy shit, I'm telling you, I'm done my workout. But I'm not done my workout. And just so you guys know what I like to do, lift heavy one day, high intensity training, going hard, burning fat, lifting heavy, getting full body muscle group engaged. Next day, I like to do cardio. Go for a nice ass run or a nice walk, pick up some fruit, walk back home, and give yourself a break. Maybe do some ab roller, do some throwdowns, keeping it very simple. And by the time you know if you're eating clean, you're eating right, you're giving yourself your body breaks, your body's growing, it's changing, it doesn't feel like you're killing it, and you just keep escalating from there. All right, let's get this last part. Every time I pick up weight, I'm bending down, not just with my back. I'll squat down a little bit, squat, back second. All right, 1, all right, 2, all right, 3, 4, all right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 49. It's 50, baby. Yeah, when this starts to hurt, what I like to visualize is picture your favorite model, your favorite artist, whoever it is on top of you. And you got the opportunity to rock their world. Are you gonna stop? Or are you gonna keep going until they got something to talk about? Tell all their friends about you. Now, I don't live in that place because I got a girlfriend. And she satisfies me. She's a real good girl. If you guys can find yourself a good girl, keep her, treat her with respect, protect her, help her open up her heart, help her be that unconditional love that all females are, and protect that and nurture that. Be a man about that shit. And let them be who they are. Don't get jealous, take care of yourself, and they'll always know what they have. It's like when you got an animal and you love them, you let it go. If it loves you, it'll be back. All right, time for some pull downs. What I like to do for pull downs, 3 different variations. Let me put it nice and light so you can see. I like to do close grip, just like this, nice and slow, down, that's 1. I like to do wide grip, so I'll go from close grip to wide grip, really stretching out those lats. Everything is coming right in front. I'm not looking up to the ceiling. I'm looking up straight ahead, bringing it down controlled, breathing out on the way down. And breathing in on the way up, regathering my energy, breathing out. Just like that. So close grip, wide grip, and then I do close grip again, but I reverse them. And this targets those biceps nicely, as well as that back, that upper back. Boom, and you hold it right there. Simple as that. Woo, your boy's gonna need a massage. That's the benefit of being in a cheap place. So you can go get a massage if you want. And that's the benefit of having a girlfriend. So you can have her massage every part of your body, plus the most important parts. All right, let's go to the pool. I'm just letting you guys know, jumped in, cooled off, refreshed. Gonna go take a nice hot shower. So again, like I said, nothing creamy, nothing fried. Got some fresh grilled corn here, no butter, no nothing on it. It's just a sweet sauce. And then we have a nice light soup that's spinach and corn. And if you want a nice little trick, I don't know if you guys can handle your heat, but if you want your metabolism to get started, eat some chili with your stuff. So I got some chicken coming soon, and I'll show you guys that. But like I said, no cream, nothing fried. And that's it, man. Now let me get into this. There we go, got some chicken, some rice, brown rice, just a little bit. I'll add it into the soup, add all the spices, have pure protein, and we got a nice fresh coconut. It's as easy as that, I'm telling you.